Hi everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to complete your strategy notebook for reading strategies. The first thing you need to do when you open up your strategy notebook document is you need to figure out what strategy are you focusing on. This is always going to be shown up here with a graphic. So for example, the strategy for today while reading is background knowledge. Now we can begin part 1. Part 1, you are going to read the passage not once, but twice. The first time while reading, you always want to look at the title of the passage, the author, and the passage type. Looking at the type will help you figure out what kind of text are you using. The first time when you're reading, you're going to come across words that are in parentheses. What you need to do is figure out which of the 3 words best completes the sentence. If we look at this sentence, let's read it together. Individuals with a fixed mindset believe hushed, that, decision, their intelligence is simply an inborn trait. So we have to figure out which of the 3 words best completes the sentence. Once you do, you're going to highlight it. This is just my answer today. You can either highlight it using the button, I'll show you up here, the highlighter button, or you can just change it to whichever color you would like. You can do red, let's try something fancy like a purple, whichever one you want. Just make sure that I know which word you want to use to complete the sentence. Once you're done and you get down to the end of the passage, you're going to go back and reread the reading passage. When you read it this time, I want you to focus using your strategy, the background knowledge strategy for this notebook. Whenever you go back and reread it for the second time, you'll have a better understanding of the article and a better understanding of how to use the reading strategy. Once you're done part 1, you're going to scroll down and complete part 2. Part 2, you're going to fill in the blank. This is whenever you get to complete the sentence about the reading strategy used while you read the text. Once you're done this part, which is worth 2 points each for each question, you're going to move down to part 3. Part 3 is a statement you're going to make, and that's worth 4 points. Each statement is going to have the focus of the reading strategy that you're using at the top here, that anchor chart. For example, in this one, you're going to write your own sentence about how you used your background knowledge to make sense of the reading passage. This is all about thinking about the way you're reading. Part 4 is fluency check. You're only going to see a fluency check once a unit. This will not be on every strategy notebook, but it will be on the first strategy notebook of each unit. This is a great way to slow down, take the time, and read out loud. This is called your fluency. This is really, really important to your literacy skills. So what you want to do is you want to go to this website called Vocaroo. This is where you're going to record yourself reading. So what you want to do is you either want to hit Control and click at the same time, and you'll see that my web browser popped up with the website. You could always copy and paste that link into your browser. Now what you're going to do is you're going to record yourself reading your passage that you just read. So this is the 3rd time you're reading your passage. So you're going to click back, go back to your browser, click to record, always click the Allow button, and now you are recording. Okay, so you're going to go back to your reading passage, read this whole passage out loud. Once you're done, you're going to click back to your browser to stop your recording. You can either retry if you weren't happy with it, or you could listen to it. Definitely listen to it. This was really helpful for understanding how your own fluency is doing. Once you're done, you're going to click the click here to save button. And this is how you are going to share your recording with me. You're going to highlight that link, either right-click copy, or click Control and C on your keyboard, then go back to your document, and you're going to paste the link in this box. You could either right-click, paste, it might show up like this, or you can Control and V on your keyboard, and there's your link. Once you're done, you want to make sure to click Save. If you're not sure how to do the fluency check, that was a little confusing, don't worry. There's a YouTube video for just using Vocaroo and recording your fluency or your reading of the passage. All right, guys, I hope this was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions, and good luck.